to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to withdraw money from ATM of Standard Bank. The reason why I'm doing this video again is like I made a video, then someone said I should make one again. So I'm gonna make one, but there's someone who people on the ATM, so I'm gonna show you when we reach there. Okay, let me see if there's a machine which is working. Yeah, there's one. I'm gonna use a card. It's a card. Okay, you select the account you want. You can select the account you want. I want this. Send no slip. Okay, so we took out the card. So if you don't have many accounts, it's gonna give you one option. If you have a lot, then it will give you more. So it's a very easy operation, but the reason why I'm doing it, someone asked it, so which means people wanted that. There's a couple of people who want this kind of videos. Yeah, this is how to withdraw money from Standard Bank ATM. So probably it's the same procedure we're using other banks, but I did some other banks. If you check into our videos, you can find that there are a couple of videos there. We're gonna drive away, as we say. We're gonna get out of here. Okay, so you can see there is ATM there for FNB. There is Standard Bank. There's also Capitec a little bit.
Even if it was very good, even if it all looked fantastic, you start to feel stressed. Okay, well now maybe I need to go.
Yeah, okay, there's Capitec here. There's also FNB, what they call it what? This is ABSA, NetBank. You see them as long as I go down, you see some. When we go down, the more we go down, the more we find them, because all banks are here. So that is NetBank. We passed it. I'm gonna go to ABSA. Let me pass here. I think we passed ABSA, not yet. Maybe we did pass. Yeah, I believe we passed it. I didn't see it, but it's there. We have it here. So, but the objective was to show you how to withdraw money from Standard Bank ATM. Some things I'm going to do, I want to park here. Okay, that's it. Let me prepare this money. By the way, we didn't count this money. We can count it if we want to. It's 400, it's 500. Sometimes you have to check. The machine can sometimes give you money which is torn, money with colors, paint, of which that money is not going to be accepted. So that's why it's always good to take out the slip from the ATM. Though I didn't take it out, but it's a good idea to take it out, because in case you encounter a problem like that, you can go straight to the same bank and tell them, look, your ATM gave me this note, please change it, because no one is accepting this kind of money. You get me? So that's why the slip is always good. So after saving my money somewhere, let me see, what did I do? I need to take the card and put the card somewhere. It's almost, it's 6:19, so it's getting dark here. Not yet dark. If it was winter, it's gonna be very dark, but since it's summer, it doesn't get dark easily. Yeah, like to get dark maybe around 6:30 or 6 or 7 exactly. So I'm gonna keep my money where. Okay. I hope a lot of people like this video, comment, share, and all that. Yeah, because I dropped so far to come from where I came and to get the to do this video, because not all places have Standard Bank ATMs, you get me? So sometimes it's difficult to find a good ATM places where we stay. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.